good morning, good afternoon. So today I will teach you how to download a Python in your local machine. So before that, you need to check like Python installed in your local machine or not. So first of all, you need to just check Python install or not, because of sometimes in your laptop Python is already installed, but you don't have knowledge about it. So first of all, you need to go with CMD. So you can try type in search bar CMD, and that CMD, it will uh, show like this type of interface. So you need to go with open, and you need to type Python here. Like, it is redirecting to Microsoft Store. It is not downloading the Python because of Python is not installed in your local machine. So you need to cut it, and again you need to type it like Python hyphen hyphen version, then enter. So it will let you know that Python installed in your local machine or not. So current situation, Python is not installed in my machine. So I will let you know that how to download the Python. So if you have already downloaded Python in your local machine, so it will show like Python version along with some code. So in my case, Python is not downloaded. That's why it's showing this type of interface. So I will cut the CMD and go to this any type of browser. You can download the Python for that. So I will go with Chrome browser and type Python download. So after that, it will tell you that Python download this type of interface you will find out. So this is the original website www.python.org, and it directly redirected to download page. So you need to click on download Python, and after that you will see this type of interface in your screen. After that, you need to just click on download Python 3.13.7. This is the latest version of Python. Currently, I'm downloading in local machines. So click on this. So after clicking on this, you need to check that Python is installed or not. You can directly go to this triple dot of your Chrome browser or any type of browser, and directly you will find out that download option here. And after that, you will see like Python 3.13.7 is downloaded in my machine. You can click to open this file directly from here. Otherwise, you can minimize this and go to your download, and you can find it from here. So I have downloaded two times, so I can delete one, and just I will let you know that how to install this application Python file in your local machine. So you need to double click on this. Just click on this file. So after clicking that, you will just find out this type of interface in your laptop. So you can just tick both the things like user admin privilege as well as add path. So both the checkbox, you need to just check it and then start install now. So it will install this path C user Nikhil app data local programs Python 3.13, because of it is latest version 3.13. So you need to just click on this install now. It will ask you the administration access for this. You need to just click on yes, and it will start downloading this Python. So it will hardly take 1 minute to install it. So you need to wait it. So it depends upon your processor, your machine, as well as your computer specification for quick process. But hardly it will take only 1 minute. For my case, it's under installing. So earlier I installed 13.13, 13.1, but I uninstall and reinstall this latest version for you guys. So after the setup the successfully install in your local machine this Python, you need to just click on close button and just check it like Python install or not. Again, you need to just go to CMD. So you need to just type CMD in your local machine. So after that, when you'll find earlier, so the same command you need to use Python. Just you can just see it's telling the Python version 3.1, 3.7 along with some codes. Again, you need to just cut this and again go to CMD and just try on second command which I used earlier, Python hyphen hyphen version. So it will tell you the exact version you install in your local machine. I think my spelling is mistake, so I'll just check Python hyphen hyphen version. So it will telling you like Python installed successfully along with Python 3.13.7. So if you untick that path while installing the Python, so it you cannot access Python directly to your CMD. So when you are installing the Python, you have to follow the same video which I am just recording for you, as well as follow the same step to install the Python. So this is the first step. You need to just learn AI and machine learning. So you need to install Python in your local machine, and you will find all the videos from basic to advanced. This video you need to follow up. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.